Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some cute Christmas decorations. And we are making these out of pine cones. So the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to collect some pine cones, and these are, you can find these anywhere you can find pine trees, and you just gather them up and they are free. And you can get any shape, any size, and they will still look really cute. The first thing you got to do is gather some pine cones. And you know what, if you look around, there are pine trees everywhere. You just have to open your eyes and look. Look right here. There's pine trees on the center divide of the road, pine trees on the side of the road. If you look underneath these trees, you'll find some pine cones. Check out all of the pine trees here on the center divide. Everywhere, pine tree, pine tree, pine tree. All of these pine trees. Check it out, pine cones on the road. Those are all up for grabs. If you actually just stop, park your car, pull over on the side of the road, look, there's pine cones in the gutter. Look at all of these pine cones on the road and on the sidewalk. And I like to just park right here, this shopping center. Look at this right here on the ground. If you just look around, there's all of these pine cones up for grabs. You just pick them up, gather them up. Look at that, all of these pine cones on the ground. These are free. Pine cones down there. Pick them up. Look, there's even some, oops, even some right here. And then you're gonna need spray paint. Here I used red and gold. If you want, you can hand paint them. It just might take a little longer. So you could lay the pine cones down flat as you spray paint them. But what I did was I used a toilet paper roll and I stood it up on here. And if you're going to use a color such as red, you're going to start spraying downward and going around. That way you spray the inside of the pine cone. And then when that dries, you're just going to turn this over. And then you're going to spray the bottom side in a downward motion. So this is the result you will get. You'll have the red on the inside and then the gold on the outside. Oh, also, I got these hooks because you can also make a Christmas ornament out of these pine cones if you like, if you want to save them. You could just take your pine cone and just spray paint the entire thing gold. And you could do maybe 2 or 3 coats. The more coats you do, the more gold it looks. And I also have a piece of a pine tree branch, and I just painted pretty much the tips of it gold, and it's still green, but when it dries out it'll be a nice brown, and that'll look really nice. So here I have gold pine cones, natural pine cones, and the red and gold that looks really nice. This one I made into a little Christmas tree ornament with a little bow and a hook. And I'll show you how to make that in my next video. All right, that's all there is to it. I hope everyone gets a chance to try this fun little project. They come out really cute. All right, happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Good luck, everyone.